Welcome to a new era of innovation and technology. On July 26, 2025, Xiaomi proudly unveiled its largest new retail store in Southeast Asia right here at the Exchange TRX in Kuala Lumpur. The grand opening was a celebration of Xiaomi's commitment to bring cutting-edge technology closer to Malaysians. Step into the future with Xiaomi's extensive range of products, from smartphones that redefine photography to AIoT devices and smart home living products that enhance your daily life. During the opening week, visitors enjoyed exclusive promotions, including free gifts with selected smartphone purchases and special discounts on AIoT bundles. This store isn't just about products. It's a hub of innovation featuring the largest collection of Xiaomi devices in Malaysia and on-site after-sales support. Whether you're looking for the latest smartphone, upgrading your home with smart technology, or exploring AIoT solutions, visit the Xiaomi TRX store today. Experience the future of technology at Xiaomi TRX. Your journey begins now.